How to record on Snapchat without holding record button. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to record on Snapchat without holding record button. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Snapchat and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your Snapchat app, then you may now open the Snapchat app. And then right here, what you're going to do is to simply follow the steps that I will be mentioning you. So in order for you to record on Snapchat without holding the record button, what you're going to do is to simply press and hold it first and then swipe to the left directly. So press and hold and then swipe to the left or click on that lock button right here. So as you can see now, it is recording without my hand. So then you may be able to see that it will continue until it will reach the maximum um, videos that you are allowed to have. So once you are done recording, you may now press on this stop button right here and then review your video right here. So now you may add your text, your scribbles, stickers, including your music, and many more. Click on send and send it to your friends, and then that's it. That's how you can record on Snapchat without holding record button. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.